Hello everyone. Just want to share a quick greenhouse update. Lots of things have been moved out of the greenhouse because of the heat. It was 115 the other day in here, and took the thermometer out, so I didn't want it blowing its top. It only reaches 125, so we broke one last year. But if you'll listen, you can hear the sound of rain. That's a wonderful sound around here. And June does start our month of monsoon season. So let's look around, see if there's anything what's still growing in here. I've got a red raspberry. He is in a pot, but he's in the ground. And that was to keep him from freezing. Don't have to worry about that now. And here's a couple of citrus trees. I don't know if they're lemon or red grapefruit. I started some from seeds last year. So, and here's my mulberry tree. They are doing good. There's an English walnut. And my calmadine is doing well this year. Here's a couple more citrus trees. I just put some fertilizer and some iron on them, so maybe we can get them greened up. The celery is looking a little peaked. It's going to seed. And here's some new okra coming up. I put a little fertilizer on there. And this big boy here is a carrot. And that carrot is getting ready to bloom and make seeds. So I'd say it's about 3 foot tall, maybe more. And they are in the Queen Anne lace family, and that's why they'll spread open and look like the Queen Anne lace weed that you see up in North Carolina. And I got some asparagus, young ones coming up. And I had to cover up had some asparagus beans coming up, and something was eating them as fast as coming up, so I put this little newt-proof cage around them. And there's one right in the middle is a Moringa tree. Right there. And possibly one of the worst tasting things on the planet. So, I haven't been able to actually drink any of the moringa stuff for a while, but I'll get some down now and then. So, just a quick update about the rain. And you can see the clouds out there in the greenhouse. God bless y'all. Stay safe in these turbulent times. Much love. Bye-bye.